In this video we are talking about of how high can Myro go in the 2024 bull market. Myro is a very new meme coin and we are seeing this bullish explosion in the last days. Myro is already on place 273 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $150 million. And this is a very big market cap for a coin like Myro. This is just existent since the last November. And just in the last 2 days we saw this massive price increase, about 88%. So I think Myro has the potential to become one of the best meme coins in the year 2024 because we are already seeing this bullish explosion to the upside. And as we have a look at the exchanges right now where Myro is already listed, it's already listed on some bigger exchanges like BitGet or KuCoin, BingX and Maxi. So for meme coins, it's very important that we get some huge exchanges to list it on their platform. So if we get in the near future some more listings on bigger exchanges, then I think the chances high that Myro can explode to the upside. So if you compare the crypto market cap of Myro right now to some meme coins like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, then this market cap is still very small. If we have a look at Bonk, we have here a market cap of 860 million. So this would already be a 5 to 6x from the market cap. And it's on place 75 of all cryptocurrencies. And if we have a look at Shiba, Shiba is on place 17 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of nearly $6 billion. And this would be a potential 30 or 40x to the market cap right now from Myro. And if we have a look at the chart, it looks very bullish. As you can see, we are clearly in a bullish trend. And if we can continue this bullish momentum, the chance that we see even higher prices in the next days and weeks is very high. So I think that a price of $1 is very realistic for this year for Myro. And from the prices right now to $1, we would have a potential of 560%. And if we would have a look at the $3, we would have a potential of 1800%. Of course, again, for this kind of price targets, Myro has to get listed on bigger exchanges. But if we are getting it, I think that Myro has the chance to get to prices like this. Especially if we are going into a bull run and if we are also seeing an all-time high for Bitcoin. So if enough money comes into the crypto market and Bitcoin is in a new all-time high, I think that Myro has the potential to reach this kind of price targets. But of course, guys, I would be a bit careful because I'm not the biggest fan of putting my money into meme coins. I like it more to invest into good projects with very nice fundamentals. But of course, you can try to make money with meme coins, but I wouldn't put my whole money into one meme coin. So please keep it in mind, guys. And for potential buy zone, I would look at this order block right here because we are in a strong bullish momentum right now. And the chance if we come back into this order block where the beginning was of this massive push, and if we see a bullish reaction right here, then I think the chances is high that we can continue to higher prices. And of course, guys, if you get a lower price, so a better entry for Myro, then the potential to the upside is even higher. So if you want to buy some Myro, I would wait if we come back into this order block. And if we even get to lower prices, then I would look for this demand zone right here. Because this demand zone right here was the consolidation and then this push to the upside on the daily chart. So if we would come to even lower prices, I think this would be even a better entry for Myro. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for Myro. If you want to see my Matic price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.